Yo, MC Bug Z, Fairfax County Health Department's Centennial celebration. Check it out.
Protect, promote, improve the health and quality of life for people in our community. Make a difference with excellence and integrity, respecting customer service for more than a century. Protect, promote, improve the health and quality of life for people in our community. Make a difference with excellence and integrity, respecting customer service for more than a century. Celebrating accreditation, FCHD. Embody these top 10 achievements from CDC. Immunizations, safety in cars and workplaces, control of infectious disease, fewer cases, lower mortality from stroke and heart disease, safer foods, healthier mothers and babies, family planning, fluoridation of H2O, realization of the hazards of using tobacco. From a department of 1 to 700 and some, we got to look back to see just how far we've come. We do the right thing at the right time for the right reason. Protecting public health since World War I. Still work to do, no doubt we're not through. All this time's gone by, still some of the same issues. Inequity in public health persists, the truth. Improve availability of services for every group. Protect, promote, improve the health and quality of life for people in our community. Make a difference with excellence and integrity, respecting customer service for more than a century. Protect, promote, improve the health and quality of life for people in our community. Make a difference with excellence and integrity, respecting customer service for more than a century. Like Jon Snow, no, not the Game of Thrones hero, father of Epi, like yo, it was the pump handle. Check this list of vaccines that saved millions of lives. About to spit them in chronological order through time. Smallpox, rabies, typhoid, cholera, bubonic plague, Tdap, aka diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, tuberculosis, influenza, yellow fever, poliomyelitis, measles and mumps, rubella, anthrax, and meningitis, deadly pneumonia and adenovirus, hepatitis B, Haemophilus influenza, Japanese encephalitis, Hep A, and varicella, Lyme disease, rotavirus, and HPV, enterovirus, malaria, Ebola, and dengue. We come a long way, it's clear to see. Stop, listen, and ponder with me, centennially. Protect, promote, improve the health and quality of life for people in our community. Make a difference with excellence and integrity, respecting customer service for more than a century. Protect, promote, improve the health and quality of life for people in our community. Make a difference with excellence and integrity, respecting customer service for more than a century. PCS, CHDP, laboratory, four divisions coexist symbiotically, logically incorporate health in all policies, connect the dots like IOIN.
Dr. G!
PCS is school health, MCH, WIC, CDFE, physician services, health of the homeless and refugees, district clinics and long-term care, ADHD, CHCN, dental, speech and hearing, and pharmacy, CHDP, it's OEP, and MRC, communications and staff that plan strategic elite, outreach team deployed to ethnic communities, education for immigrant populations in need, respect to the health inspectors repping CPP,
Regulator!
mount up, they're preaching food safety, OSNW ensuring aquatic quality, DCIP, yo, it's vector control, I'm Bug Z. Protect, promote, improve the health and quality of life for people in our community. Make a difference with excellence and integrity, respecting customer service for more than a century. Protect, promote, improve the health and quality of life for people in our community. Make a difference with excellence and integrity, respecting customer service for more than a century.
Yo, shout out to everyone past and present that has provided public health services for the people of Fairfax County. This health department's the product of the efforts of countless dedicated professionals before us. And now it's on us to set the stage for what's to come. Together we can be the extra degree that powers public health through another century. Thank you for all that you do. See you in 2117.